Our story begins on the side of the road. An unsuspecting driver finds himself stranded in the middle of winter with no one around. He tries to call for help, but alas, no reception. He contemplates walking to get help, but with no hat or gloves to keep warm, the safest move is just to remain in the car. As he sits and waits for anyone to come by, he realizes he forgot breakfast this morning. And without a single morsel of food to be found, the reality sinks in. This is going to be a very hungry wait. Looks like Kyle should have been better prepared.
Okay, I get it. Enough already.
Things can go from bad to worse in a hurry if you're not prepared, so it is essential to have an emergency safety kit in your car, especially in the winter. Here are a few key items every kit should include.
This one is pretty self-explanatory. We live in Canada, it snows in the winter, and you need to be able to dig your vehicle out if you go off the road or get stuck in a blizzard. That whole snowing in the winter thing applies to this one as well. This should always be in your vehicle, but it's something you should have in your kit so you know where it is at all times. Let there be light. Most phones have a flashlight app, but this can drain your battery quickly, and you want to save your phone for calling or texting. Make sure to include extra flashlight batteries as well. Another obvious one. You need your cell phone for pretty much everything these days, so make sure to always have an adapter and cable in the car. There's the potential to be stranded for hours, so make sure you have something to eat and drink. Items like granola bars, energy bars, or trail mix are perfect. And water will freeze, so having smaller water bottles will make it easier to thaw them in the car. You never know how long you'll be stranded, and if you run out of gas, you have no way of heating up. Always carry gloves, hats, extra socks, and a blanket in your car. A sleeping bag is even better. I would also recommend including heating packs for your hands and feet. Car batteries don't like the cold, and sometimes a simple boost will do the trick. If you don't want to have to rely on someone else, a booster pack is a much better, although more expensive option. Blowing snow can limit visibility, so always carry flares or reflective gear. While not essential, lock de-icer and a tow rope are also handy tools to have in any kit. And just like that, you have a winter safety kit. If you don't want to build your own, you can always pick up a pre-made one at most hardware stores or online. Ideally, you'll never have to use it, but now you have the peace of mind that comes with being prepared for an emergency. Please let me know if you have any questions about building your emergency kit.